വരീന്ദർ പാൽ സിംഗ് പ്രേക്ഷകരിലേക്ക് ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ആ ദൃശ്യങ്ങൾ ഞങ്ങൾ കാണിക്കാം. വരീന്ദർ പാൽ സിംഗ് പഞ്ചാബ് ലുധിയാനയിലെ അഗ്രികൾച്ചർ സർവകലാശാലയിലെ സീനിയർ പ്രൊഫസറാണ്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് കേന്ദ്ര സർക്കാർ നൽകിയ ഒരു അവാർഡ് അത് അദ്ദേഹം നിരസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് വളരെ പൊളൈറ്റായി അദ്ദേഹം കേന്ദ്ര സർക്കാരിനോട് കർഷകർക്കൊപ്പമാണ് തന്റെ നിലപാടെന്നും തന്റെ ബോധ്യമെന്നും പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് നിരസിക്കുന്ന ദൃശ്യങ്ങളാണ് ദൃശ്യങ്ങളിൽ കാണുന്നത്. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ശബ്ദം കേൾക്കാം. അതിനുശേഷം നമുക്ക് വരീന്ദർ പാൽ സിംഗിലേക്ക് എത്താം.
I have a humble mission that at this time of crisis for the nation, so when our farmers are on the roads, so my conscience does not allow me to receive this award. So I wish that we shall work together for the nation and the government shall listen to our dear farmers. The work I did is only for the farmers and for the nation. So I feel I would be guilty, and if I at this moment I receive this award, but I have a great gratitude for the Honorable Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizer and Director General FAI. So kindly accept my apologies. I regret that for any inconvenience, but my only feelings are that we shall jointly work for the farmers, we shall jointly work for the government of India so that we can build our India, great India.
This is Dr. Varinder Pal Singh, Senior Professor, Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana is joining us, and I appreciate you, sir, joining us, and very good and warm welcome and good evening.
Thank you, sir, thank you.
I know you are a very busy person now, but all the academicians in Kerala are asking a single question. As an academic, this award could have brought you a lot of academic achievements. For example, your APS score will be increased in your promotional grades. You will be recognized nationwide since it's a national award. But even then, you took the boldness to relinquish this award in front of this union minister, and the world listened to you. And what, in fact, inspired you for relinquishing this award, sir?
So it is my culture, the culture of the Punjab, the culture of the Sikh Gurus. We are taught from the childhood that the first priorities of the nation, first priorities of the society, and we shall not think of our personal benefits or professional benefits at the cost of the nation. So we call it Sarbat da Bhala. So we think about the society first, and our priorities are the second priorities. Once our farmers are on the roads, and they are our national heroes because they are feeding us. So it's our moral duty to stand by them when they have their genuine demands. So just for the sake of personal benefits, having the awards is generally the worldly shows. Those we don't like that these have some meaning when we kill our consciousness.
Right, sir, really, do you still consider that the Prime Minister is wrong in saying that this bill or this act will enable the farmers more technically, more scientifically, and it will help the farmers to organize them more effectively? It's what Prime Minister said today.
So Prime Minister, what he has said today, I don't agree with that. All the academicians from the different parts of the country, they are already telling him that he is not on the scientific grounds. Even today, the economist from the World Bank, he has also given his tweet that these laws will spoil all the farming system in India. So we understand the thing. So Prime Minister, what he said today, I don't agree with that.
So one more question, sir. So in your opinion, what should be the last resort the government should follow and adopt? And the protesting farmers are saying that repealing these three laws are the only thing that they demand with the government. But the government is not heeding to them. But the government is very stiff on their stand, and that they are not going to withdraw or repeal this act. And what will be the only recourse this government can adopt now?
So the government shall withdraw these laws. These laws will spoil the socio-economic structure of the country. There is nothing in the benefit of the small farmers. So government shall consider the opinion, shall consider the statements given by the agricultural scientists. Many of the great intellectuals have returned their Padam Shri. So once the government gave Padam Shri to any of the citizen, it means at least he or she shall be listened. So government shall listen to the intellectuals, and the only solution is to withdraw all these three laws in the parliament. Nothing else
And the central government or the union government is saying that this farmer protest is inspired by the pan-Punjab middlemen, and it's not actual farmers who are on the street protesting against the government. Is it true, sir?
So this is all false. Just go to the that place where the farmers are protesting. None is there politician. No politician is leading this agitation. It is all public agitation. So Punjabis are always fighting for the nation. See up a history of the India. So Punjabis are always for the India. So Punjabis have guts that they can show the mirror to the government when they talk about any anti-nation activity.
Yeah, that's
So
good.
it-
So
it-
will
it
you
is-
visit Singhu or the Sikri border or Ghazipur, and will you be part of this protest movement led by these farmers, sir? Will you join them physically?
So I have already joined them physically. I have already attended them. This is so peaceful agitation. It is the agitation of the layman. There is no one politician. And the people, the farmers, they are not allowing any politician to come here. So it is not politically motivated. If it had been politically motivated, the scene would have been different. So they are all just the layman's farmers. And there is nothing like that, that something is being governed by any other anti-national agency. So it is all the citizens of India. So they are talking about their genuine demands, but the government is favoring the corporate agencies, and ultimately they will take a shape of the East India Company, and ultimately we have to
So
again
I,
fight for
I,
the
I have a technical question, sir. Since you are a soil scientist, I think you could have better answered this question. The question is whether the corporates' arrival in this agriculture or making contract farming, will it enable these farmers more technically and more scientifically
Not at all.
cultivating all these things? Since you are a soil
not-
scientist, will it enable them more scientifically? That's the demand of that is the position taken by the union government.
No, not at all. Why government is not confident on the government officials? Why it is going to give it to the private agencies? The government has its own agricultural universities, extension system. Why don't the government system is unable to guide the farmers? There is no fun behind. They are just making a fool of the citizens.
Okay, thank you, Sri Varindra Palji. Anyway, please come to Kerala and see all the places you hear and interact. And it would have been a great pleasure if I could meet you in person. Thanks a lot, Varindra Pal Singh. I know you are a very busy person and you are in the midst of a meeting as well. Thank you once again. Thank you once again for joining us. Thanks a lot. Varindra Pal Singh ആണ് നമുക്കൊപ്പം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. Varindra Pal Singhനെ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി പ്രേക്ഷകർക്ക് നമ്മൾ പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തുന്നു. അദ്ദേഹത്തെ ചിലരെങ്കിലും ഇതിനകം സാമൂഹ്യ മാധ്യമങ്ങളുടെയും 24-ലൂടെ തന്നെയും നേരത്തെ പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തിയിരുന്നു. ഈ പ്രക്ഷോഭത്തിനിടയിൽ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് കിട്ടിയ യൂണിയൻസ് കേന്ദ്ര സർക്കാരിൻ്റെ ഒരു പുരസ്കാര വേദിയിൽ വെച്ച് തന്നെ തിരസ്കരിക്കുകയും ഈ കർഷകർക്കൊപ്പം അനുഭാവം പ്രകടിപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് സംസാരിക്കുകയും ചെയ്തിരുന്നു വരീന്ദർ പാൽ സിംഗ്. വരീന്ദർ പാൽ സിംഗ് ആദ്യമായി ഒരു മലയാള മാധ്യമത്തോട് സംസാരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു ഇപ്പോൾ പ്രേക്ഷകർ കണ്ടത്.